Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find a full list of channels you're subscribed to on your YouTube page. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to your YouTube website and you want to be logged into your YouTube account. And then from here we're going to be coming to our panel on the left. Now most people assume we would come to the subscriptions tab right here and we would scroll down and we can see a full list of users we are subscribed to. Now of course this isn't an ideal way of doing this, it's kind of annoying. So a workaround method I've found is what we can do is come to just underneath the homepage. We can click on the My Channel option right here, which is going to open up our own personal YouTube channel. From here, once your channel is fully loaded up, what we can do is click on the Channels tab right here, which is going to open up a list of people we have in our recommended channel, but also we're going to see a little extra option here where we can see all of our current subscriptions. So I'm going to be doing from here is clicking on the subscriptions text, which should open up a full list of users we're subscribed to, and we can see exactly how many subscribers they have, how many videos, where we can easily unsubscribe, enable notifications, and we can really easily visit their channel if we wish. As you can see, I feel this is a much better method for seeing a full list of users we're subscribed to, and it's really easy to do. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.